crypto, we basically have what 2.5% in crypto right now. Um, and I've gone over ad nauseum why. I was warning everyone in 2024. I mean, we've been buying in every dip since early 2023 up until late 2024. We started accumulating, up in here, right around in here. We bought that dip, then we really accumulated around in here. And I feel like we were like the lone people doing that. We were getting a lot of flack for doing that. But as I was telling everybody, just technically speaking, things seem to have shifted, right? So this is volume. Notice how volume increases as price goes higher, and it tended to decrease as we got into a correction. That's very bullish action, right? Increase, volume expands as we go higher, and it decreases as we sell. And then something shifted. This final move higher, volume went lower, and on the sell, it went higher. That's a shift in dynamics. This is bull market started. Also, the RSI tends to find support around the 33.7 level, somewhere around there in bull markets. We broke it. That may not be meaningful to a lot of people, but it is meaningful. It broke this bull market support, and now it can't even retest the trend line. Um, I don't think that Bitcoin will make a new high in the next move. There is a count where we're bottoming in a fourth wave, and we see some super big move up to 200,000 that may potentially happen. It's on the table, but uh, you know, I see 10% in the queues versus what, 150%. So probably not going to happen. I bet we get a B wave and then we get a C wave drop into Q1. That's what I'm anticipating. Um, I don't think that this move is over. I think we're heading towards 72. This five wave drop is incomplete in my opinion. I think it needs to get to like 71, maybe even 67 before finding a low. And if it does get down there, then you will probably see us maybe take a momentum trade in Bitcoin. I don't think, not, don't think, but based off these charts, the time to do long-term buy and hold, set it and forget it was around these levels. But up in here is kind of where we prefer to trade. Um, you know, uh, we have I've been doing this long enough to where I've hodled Bitcoin, and some people just do that and they don't care. I don't have that in me. It's awful to see gains get lost quicker than you made them, and you don't know what to do, right? So that's why with Bitcoin as kind of a new technology that hasn't really, that's still trying to find its way, um, we believe in it wholeheartedly, but until it's completely scalable, and adopted in a very, very wide fashion and is getting there, we tend to just kind of use these patterns to help us dictate how to take those gains. So